In the world of restomods and classic car builds, some creations stand out more than others, and the Hellenor 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is one such example. Built by the talented team at Mean Machine Garage in Prague, Czech Republic, this one-of-a-kind, high-performance beast takes the legendary Shelby GT500 and pushes it into the realm of automotive perfection. Hellenor is a truly bespoke creation, and its story starts with a classic 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. This particular car, known for its iconic design and unforgettable legacy, was chosen as the foundation for a modern restomod that incorporates cutting-edge technology, unparalleled craftsmanship, and serious power. Inspired by the famous Eleanor Mustangs from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds, Hellenor is not a mere replica, it's a complete reimagining of the iconic muscle car, designed to outperform, outshine, and stand apart from all others. What sets Hellenor apart from other restomods is the level of customization and detail involved in its creation. Built over the course of 5,500 work hours, this is no ordinary project. The only original part of the car is the middle section of the roof, while the rest of the vehicle has been rebuilt with modern components and a host of custom touches. The result is a car that not only looks stunning but also has a performance that matches its bold appearance. The body of the car is finished in a striking candy organic green color, complemented by black stripes and touches of bronze and polished aluminum. It's a color combination that gives the car a sleek yet aggressive presence on the road. The chassis is sourced from Roadster Shop, a renowned aftermarket specialist known for its high-quality components, ensuring that the car's foundation is as solid as its performance. Inside, Hellenor is just as breathtaking. The interior features Ferrari leather that has been hand-knitted in a checkered pattern, combined with Alcantara for an ultra-luxurious feel. The cockpit has been completely redesigned, with only the original metal dashboard remaining as a nod to the classic Mustang. Every detail of the interior has been meticulously crafted to provide a modern and comfortable driving experience while still maintaining the car's classic muscle car spirit. Under the hood, the Hellenor comes alive with an engine that is nothing short of extraordinary. It features a 7.0-liter V8, based on the Ford Windsor 428C engine, and has been fully tuned by the legendary Nelson Racing engines. With two turbochargers, the engine produces a mind-blowing 1,200 horsepower on regular gasoline, and when switched to 115-octane racing fuel, it cranks out a staggering 1,700 horsepower. Along with this incredible power, the car delivers 1,106 lb-ft of torque, making it a true force to be reckoned with on the road. This extraordinary build wouldn't have been possible without the help of several high-performance partners. Forgeline crafted the custom-made forged aluminum wheels, while companies like Automotive Fuel Systems, Holley Performance, and Bear Brakes provided key components to ensure the car could handle its immense power. Additionally, Spark Industries, Idiot Steering, and Dakota Digital contributed to the car's engineering and technology, resulting in a fully integrated and high-performing machine. The Hellenor is a perfect example of what happens when passion, expertise, and cutting-edge technology come together to create something truly special. With a combination of aggressive styling, modern performance, and classic muscle car heritage, it's clear that Mean Machine Garage has created a masterpiece that is sure to stand out in the automotive world for years to come. This unique 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 Restomod is a testament to the craftsmanship and vision of MMG and their partners, as well as the growing restomod culture that continues to redefine what's possible with classic cars. For anyone looking for the perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern performance, the Hellenor is the ultimate expression of that dream.